Hello everyone, another quick video to show engine air filter change on a 2018, 2019 or 2020 Nissan Rogue. So the air filter is inside this box, but in order to get to that box we need to take a screwdriver and open that up a little, do the same on this side, and that'll free up this particular, you see it? Now it's free. Okay, now we have two clips, one on this side, this metal clip. Just with your hand, pull this side, pull that tab on that side, and do the same here. Pull the tab. So both tabs are out, so this should be able to slide up. Pull this out and slide it up. See how it slides up, and this piece should come right off. You don't need any tool other than a flat head screwdriver. You can even do without it. So now you can actually see the air filter inside. So you can just take the filter right out of there. Just note this little tab on the top, because we need to put the new filter with the same orientation. So the tab, it's a pretty filthy air filter here, and I'm going to be replacing this with a brand new air filter. These are the part numbers that are compatible. This is some off-brand Spearhead empty from Amazon for about $10. It's right here, the logo. That's pretty good actually. I honestly don't care which one. They all serve the same purpose. Just got to replace often. That's the key. Just put that in and make sure the rubber makes a good seal all the way around from top to bottom. And then put the frame in there. Once you do that, do the clips. One and one on this side. That's it. It's in. Once it's in, wiggle it a little bit just to see if there's any movement. I don't see any movement, so now it's time to put the other plastic back in. So in order to put this plastic, this area needs to slide right in. So you see the groove? Do you see the groove here? This groove needs to mate with this particular lip right there. So just do that, keep sliding, and at some point it should perfectly mate and seat. Alright, that got seated on this side. Simple, line it up, make sure this clip is seated properly. As you can see, it has to come further out this way a little bit and be pressed down. There you go. You heard the click. Now it's fully clicked in. Do the same on this side. Yep. One side goes in, the other side automatically goes in. Now everything is sealed up. I'm good to go. That's how you change your air filter on a Nissan Rogue. Alright, thank you for watching. Next we'll see how to change the cabin air filter. Save another $50 or so.